see some weird stuff on it. So we're just going to like see what will come out.
So we have removed the mic grills from all of them, and now it's time for us to wash the mics. How are you feeling about this project?
I feel good.
Yeah, I feel like these mics are going to be clean. You soap, right? Yeah, so all I'm doing here, like legitimately washing it, like legitimately just like this. What is going to be? I can't get down.
Alright, so I am actually washing these foams and getting rid of the dirt, the dust, and every other particle hidden inside. Wow, you can see the water. I don't know if you can see, but the water is changing color already. And I just washed one. I'm not even done yet. So you just have to just try to get rid of the dirt. Just try to make sure you do not tear the nuts. Just trying to be very careful so I don't rip it. Wow, I think it's good. It looks clean and it smells clean too. I think this is actually a good idea because you just get rid of any foul smell, get rid of any weird particle that is not supposed to be there. I'm sure the sound of the mic will be very good. I'm sure there will be a change afterwards after we're done washing this. So I have here the 8 pieces and they're looking good. I think I'm done with the first stage, so I'll just go now and empty this bowl and get more water to make sure I do like thorough cleanup, right? So I'll be right back. So I am back with another bowl of clear water. I'm just going to like make sure I take out any sort of dust, any sort of hidden dirt in the foam. Yeah, and as you can see, you can still see some weird stuff on it. So we're just going to like see what will come out in the second round. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to let this soak in for like 2 minutes so that it has like more time to soften any sort of particle that might be very difficult to get out. So I'll just wait for like 2 more minutes before I go ahead with the rinsing.
Okay, so cleaning the microphone grill has gone very well. Now it's time for the actual grills themselves. The bodies have gotten a good wash. That is the internal fixture. There is a black cloth inside that you have seen already got clean. So now let's clean out the main thing itself and let's see what it comes out to. Oh yeah, this one just go directly because I'm scared of. Have you seen that? Hair. Oh my gosh.
So I think I've left this for more than 2 minutes already. So I'll just go ahead to use my hands to like clean it up properly.
That is much better. It's better than the first time.
Glory to life. I found